Hello everyone and welcome to another trade review video. My name is Ben and I'm a software developer. I started trading in 2017 and to be able to trade and create software I had to create an algorithm that does the heavy lifting for me. In these trade review videos I will show you how I use the algorithm of TradingBot and I will show you how I manage trades that don't follow the algorithm principles. The trades you see are my personal trades and should not be considered trading advice. The algorithm is integrated in Alltrady trading platform that I created to help everyone save time and make less emotional trades. In this week we will go over another 3 trades and we look back at the trades from Atom and SNTVT. Alright, let's first look at WinBTC. This was a trade from a while ago because last week I was on holiday and I didn't manage to create a new video. But this was one of the earlier trades just after the last video. And as you can see, it was a nice 3.3% profit in less than an hour. It was a textbook trade. Like the value broke through the base and then it bought and then it sold just below the base. Now what happens afterwards we don't really care about. And as you can see, it's just slowly grinding down. Not really tradable at the moment. So the algorithm doesn't do anything. Alright, let's look at ADBBTC. Another very quick trade because this is on the 5-minute chart and as you can see here it only took 40 minutes but still a decent profit of 2.4%, and yeah, that's what we love, you know, these really quick trades where you don't even have to look, and basically by the time that you look at your notifications you see a buy and a sell already happened, which is why we use these trading bots to save us so much time. The third one that we're going to look at is SRK BTC. Again on a shorter time frame, just to show you how the swing really happens. You can see it was a really decent base over the time. It was still a slow grind, but even in these slow grinds you see the panic happen here, so it's just a mild panic, but still the recovery is just as normal, and you can see that the recovery to the base is fully done. Alright, now for the good news. As I said a few weeks ago, there was a high chance for Atom to recover fully without too much hassle, and so it happened. Now I did get out with a slightly less profit. In these type of situations where the trade is taking so long, basically any profit that you can get is just good, and you just want to close it without losing any money. And as you can see, it was actually a good thing because after that the price starts to grind down again, and we really just want to get into the new trades. We want to release the funds and make sure that they're available for other trades that work out much faster than this one. Now the same thing cannot be said for SNTVT. However, we do have an opportunity to intensify our trading, and that means that we actually have used the grid layers where we set sell layers up and down, and we make sure that we buy on each bounce and we sell on each bounce, and that way we increase our trading volume, and we try to get the break-even price down. Now as you can see, the break-even price is slightly higher than it was last week. However, we have still 2 buys left over, so if it goes down, then you will see a dramatic decrease in the break-even price. Will probably be somewhere around here, and you know, even if it goes up and it doesn't go down, it doesn't really matter because we're just going to follow this trend up, and we're going to move and adjust these buy and sell layers, just following it. So it's not really like a traditional style grid trading. It's a grid trading that you adjust maybe once a day, maybe once every 2 days, where you make sure that the buy and sell layers are nicely spread around the current price, and then you just let it run for a day or two, and then you adjust it. That way you can really follow the trend up or follow the trend down. So that's what we've been doing here, and as you can see, if we change the break-even price to here, you can see that we're like pretty much in profit just from these trades only, and we're really trying to get out here. So I reckon this trade is going to take a few more weeks, but I'm very confident that we're going to get out soon in profit. And again, just as with Atom, as soon as we're in profit, we're just going to get out. Now you might think, well, why are you spending so much time? Why not take the loss? Well, actually, as you can see, what we're doing here, we're actually getting more percentage trading. So with the fully automatic trades, we have about 2.5% profits. That's what we're aiming for. But with these grid style trading, you actually get like 5 to 10% trade, 5% profit on each trade that you do. As you can see here, like decent 12% profits every time. We don't want to do this like every day, because it is more time consuming than just using a trading bot, and we can manage maybe 1 or 2 positions like this. So we take the positions like that are coming out of a high base, because they when they come from a high base, they usually have that grind to the left or to the right, and they usually stay in this accumulating phase, and then we'll probably see a bounce upwards, but we don't know when. It can take weeks, it can take months, and this has already taken months, so we just want to get out as soon as possible. And 0.5% profit on the total position would still be a decent amount. So yeah, that's what we're aiming for. And currently that's the only long running trade. There's another trade that is currently working. We haven't done too much about it yet, and we just missed our sell point here, and that's okay. We've got another buy waiting and we've got another sell waiting. This is still from the trading bot, so it's not done manually. We could keep an eye on it, which is what we do every day, but we're not touching it yet. We're just letting it play out, because if it goes down, then it will hit this layer and then we'll sell. If not, we'll get another layer and then sell there. And so I'm very pleased that we currently only have one long running trade from the trading bot. So it's easy to manage. We don't have to do a lot a day, and we can just continue with our work. Alright, that's it for this week, and I hope to see you again next week for another trade review video.